Welcome students in your GK class, and I am your GK teacher. Today our second topic is tell me why. Why? Many times we face certain questions na why this is happening, why this happened. Many of you are having many query like why birds fly, why balloons fly higher. Like this many questions are there. Why we are having shadow. Is it why anything falls down only? Many questions are there in our mind and we have many queries. So how we will answer? Today we will answer some of these types of queries. Okay. So our first question is, why do shadows happen? Light travels in straight lines called rays. When these rays hit something that they cannot pass through, a shadow is formed. We all know that light cannot pass our body, right? So it forms a shadow. That means a image, black image, which is on the ground. Okay. Our next question is, why are tires full of air? Pumping air into bicycle tires make them springy. They are like a cushion between the wheel and the road, rolling easily over all the bumps and giving you a comfortable ride. As we know, the road is smooth somewhere but not everywhere. So it is acting as a cushion which makes it comfort ride. Our next question is, how do astronauts keep cool? The sun rays are much stronger out in space. So, astronauts need a special way of keeping cool. Under their space suits, they wear a suit of stretchy material. This carries in it tiny plastic tubes carrying cool water. This water cools the astronauts' body heat. Okay, interesting. Our next question, why do armbands help to float? We all know what is armband, which we use for swimming purpose. So armbands have a lot of air inside them. Air is much lighter than water, so it helps us to float. Water also has a quality of pushing things up. By pushing up on your armband, it helps to keep on floating. Wow, next time we will carry. Why do sharks have to keep swimming? Sharks are very heavy for their size and they do not have swimming bladders. Oh, they have to keep swimming to stay up in the sea. Oh, due to the heavy body of shark, they are unable to swim. Okay, so they have to be very on it. Next, can sound travel underwater? Yeah, it can. Sound moves much faster through water than through air. It can travel such long distance that whales can hear each other even when they are hundreds of kilometers apart. Oh my god, such a strong ears whales are having. Now, our next query. What is our next query? What fogs up the bathroom mirror? After a shower, the air in the bathroom is warm and steamy. When it cools the cold surface, such as a mirror, the air cools down and changes back into tiny water droplets. These fog up the mirror. This change from gaseous to liquid state is called condensation. That's all. Today we got 7 answers of our queries like why is happening, tell me why it is happening. Today we got 7 answers. Further we will see many more answers. Okay, keep learning. Bye bye. Have a nice day.